Well, the markets are officially open here in the U.S. as we're taking a look at the major averages. We've got them there for you on your screen. Of course, always locked and loaded. And the Dow, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ, yeah, they're seeing some red on the screen right now. The Dow Jones Industrial Average down by about 0.1%. S&P 500 down 0.4%. NASDAQ Composite also in the red by about 0.8% here. Jared, this ahead of Jobs Day. Of course, the market's going to be closed tomorrow in observance of Good Friday ahead of Easter weekend. However, for the last trading session of this week, what are we seeing early in the tape?
Yeah, first of all, really important to point out the schedule, the holiday schedule. Tomorrow, stocks are going to be closed, but stock futures are going to be open for a very brief window. I think they close at 10:15 a.m. or maybe 9:15 a.m. Anyway, a very brief window that they'll be open, yes, tomorrow. But today we're dealing with a negative tape here. But let me just show you what's happened this week, the first 4 days of the quarter. So here the Dow is up about 44 basis points, about 0.5%. S&P 500 down nearly 1%. And the NASDAQ has been really the lackluster underperformer here, down 2.5% when it was a huge outperformer, as we were just talking about with Quincy in the first quarter. So here's a look at what's happening inside the market. S&P 500 sectors, all 11 of them, a mixed bag. Utilities, that is a leader today. That's up 0.75%. XLU followed by healthcare, real estate, and staples. All four of those are defensive. So when you have green in the defensive, that is not a risk-on statement. To the downside, tech, XLK taking it on in the chin. That's down 1%, followed by consumer discretionary materials and energy. Energy has really been in the forefront this week because of that surprise OPEC Plus decision to cut production. I'm going to be talking about that at the top of the 11 a.m. hour. Here's the NASDAQ 100. As you can see, more red than green. Applied Materials down 4%. So is Airbnb and Workday. Aside from that, not seeing too many huge movers or outstanding issues moving to the upside, Brad.